We all want it. That bouncy, hydrated, glossy complexion that looks like a pane of smooth glass. But let's be honest, can an average person like me ever actually reach that standard? What do the people with flawless skin know that the rest of us don't? I decided to try and find out. I wanted to see if there was a secret formula, the ultimate, juiciest routine that could genuinely deliver results within 30 days. But right out of the gate, I hit a massive problem. Skin isn't one size fits all. In reality, a perfect routine that works for everyone simply doesn't exist. So, rule number 1 of this experiment: if you actually like your skin, you need to stop doing what everyone else is doing on the internet. Because unless they are a doctor, nobody really knows what they're doing. To fix your skin, you have to look at your skin, whether it's dry, oily, dealing with acne, or starting to show wrinkles. But here's the craziest thing I discovered on this journey. No matter what your skin type is, your core daily routine only ever needs 3 basic products. It turns out the multi-step skincare empires are mostly marketing. The foundation of true glass skin boils down to a simple 3-step baseline. First up, cleansing. Before you do anything else, you have to get rid of oily dirt and sebum to unclog your pores and prevent breakouts. Experts generally recommend washing your face twice a day with lukewarm water, finishing with a cold rinse. If you wear makeup, use an oil-based cleanser first to melt it all away, followed by a water-based one to clear the impurities. But here's where I used to mess up: overwashing. Scrubbing too hard, using harsh sulfates, or burning your face with hot water just strips away your skin's natural oils, leaving you flaky and dry. Gentle is the name of the game. The second pillar is a moisturizer, applied twice a day. When skin loses its moisture barrier, it becomes inflamed. A good glass skin moisturizer isn't heavy or greasy. It's a lightweight, fragrance-free formula that rehydrates the skin cells until they look plump and smooth. On my search, I learned to look for 3 specific hero ingredients here: ceramides, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. Then came the third, non-negotiable step: sunscreen. It turns out that the more UV light we expose our skin to without protection, the more our DNA mutates, leading to premature wrinkles, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Unprotected skin in the long run isn't pretty. So I grabbed a comfortable, broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, one that doesn't make me look like a pale, creepy ghost, and started wearing it every single day. It doesn't matter if you're staying indoors. Unless it's literally nighttime where you live, the sun is actively trying to age your skin right now. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. That's the baseline. If you want a tiny upgrade to that foundation, you can throw in a retinoid to make things look smoother and younger. But those 3 are your essentials. But if those 3 steps are enough for clear skin, why isn't everyone walking around with a glass complexion? Because this is where your specific skin type completely rewrites the script. For instance, if you have dry skin, you are starving for extra moisture. Adding a hydrating toner or serum packed with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, glycerin, ceramides, vitamin E, or rose water is what gives dry skin that incredibly juicy, glossy finish. But if you have oily skin, that same exact routine would be an absolute nightmare. Oily skin types need targeted ingredients to regulate oil production and prevent breakouts. Things like salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. If your main exhausting battle is acne, the strategy changes yet again. You want to look for benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and vitamin A to unclog pores and gently dissolve blackheads over time. But remember this rule: less is always more. You don't need a 10-step routine. At maximum, 5 products is perfect. And please, start with lower concentrations. Jumping straight to the highest strength for the first time will just severely irritate your skin and make it hypersensitive. While things like toners and essences are completely optional, a good serum is usually the best first step to leveling up your routine, giving your skin a shot of concentrated nutrients to reduce fine lines and brighten dark spots over time.